Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. As you may or may not know, on Wednesday I'm going to be going back home to Wellington for a look at my engagement party. So I have currently been just planning what it is that I'm going to take with me and trying to figure out what is going to be the most weather appropriate, and judging from the phone call that I had with my stepdad the other day, looks like it's going to be very icy. So I've put together a bit of a packing list. It's probably not as appropriate as I'd like, and I'm going to just think about what else I might like to take in between now and then. But essentially what I wanted to show you guys is everything that I'm going to be taking with me. So that's going to be all of my clothing, my shoes and my makeup, and I'm actually going to do a makeup travel bag video as well, so that'll be coming up in the next couple of days. While I was filming, my battery actually ran out, so I was part way through filming the video and then everything just cut. So there are a couple of pieces which aren't included, and the first is a really long kind of oversized cardigan that I'll be taking with me, and then also my Dion Lee dress that I'll be wearing for the party. So I'm actually going to show you guys probably what those look like, either in a lookbook video from after I've returned, or my vlog that I'm going to be doing, because yeah, I'm going to be doing a vlog while I'm away. So I hope you guys enjoy that, because it's not something I've ever done before, so I am a little bit nervous, but we'll see how it goes, and I'll be able to give you guys a bit of insight into, how I've been planning the party and how I've kind of brought everything together. I'll be away on my trip for 5 days, so if you're interested in seeing what it is that I'm packing, because it is so easy to overpack, then keep on watching.